Alright, what's up guys? So this is how I shoot my POV drives. I'm going to show you the mic placement and the mounting setup. Got my Action 6 and then the DJI Mic 3. We'll start off with the mic. For intake noise, I put it directly in front of the intake. It's better if you have like the seal right here on the hood, but it's away from the direction of the wind because it's sitting flat right here. So just keep that in mind. Don't put it right here when you got the fan blowing towards there and you got wind noise. You want to eliminate as much wind noise from your initial setup so that your post will be cleaner and you don't have to edit as much. Alright, now for trunk. You see how I'm single exit on the left side and the chaser's on the right side, so I put it according to the direction. And that's it. Alright, now we have the camera mount setup. So this is just a small rig, magic arm, and suction cup. Two different things. This one's just attached. So I already have the angle set up. You're gonna have to play with it based on your car and angle, but I like to just have it ready. That way you're not changing the angle all the time and you just have to mount it on your sunroof or your side window right here. If you don't have a sunroof, this will still work. On the chaser, you just use the driver's side window. But yeah, you're gonna be driving like this, so you're gonna look kind of weird, but the footage is, I think it's worth it. So. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the camera and audio setup. But let me know if you want the 4K quality settings and the audio as well as like editing workflow. Just let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.